This is how much I have earned from my affiliate program. You can also do this by sharing simple links. This is my earning which I have earned. No efforts required. You simply share link with your clients. They simply get their website hosting domain and you get commission on top of it. Here is a simple steps which you need to follow. Simply you have to sign up for affiliate program on Hostinger. This is step one. You have to add the basics information which Hostinger asks you. You may can add your blog link to your website or whatever the way you will bring the traffic to them. And but just by following these step one, step two, step three, you acknowledge their terms and conditions. You simply sign up for their program. They will approve it, and once you approve it, you simply start sharing your links with the clients, and whoever click the links, it will get counted into your dashboard. And if they make the purchase or they sign up, and whatever the purchase they do, uh, um, Hostinger will allocate the commission to your account. And after that term and condition have been met and the conversion have been successful, you simply get paid by that. This is so much simple. For this kind of the video, if you need more tips and tricks for the earning, do like and share our channel.